that, because it's interesting to be part of the family also, that, as you know, the steel company runs for that.
No, no. On the street, it's this.
Most important is the principles of real art.
Ir jābūt tai dzīslaikai, ja jūs viņu noķeriet.
If you got the feeling, the real feeling of this art, and you go.
What exposure does that stance troops have in terms of training time for these techniques, you know, so that they become automatic in a pressure situation?
Apmēram ir 2 gadi, kad tu bāzes līmeni, kad tev aiziet uz darbs.
Basically, it needs at least 2 years. Then you come to basic level, and it starts to become a little subconscious.
The question that I had, in the military environment, with all the other skills that soldiers need to know, shooting, parachuting, scuba diving, it's very hard to have commanders to release troops for this type of activity. How has he found the availability of commander support?
Man stāsts bija tāds, kad es arī saskāros ar apsardzes darbību. Mums Latvija palikās brīva.
When Latvia became independent from Soviet Union, he been working also in security.
Un man bija taekwondo runājos.
He only was doing his martial arts as taekwondo.
Bet tad, kad es saskāros ar reālo dzīvi,
when I got his real life,
es sapratu, ka es par cilvēku pilnīgi nekontrolēju.
I start to feel that I don't control my opponent at all.
Un manas tūcīgas zināšanas man nedod šo iespēju.
And what I learned from my art, they don't need this knowledge they need to fight or control their opponent.
Yeah. The issue that I was raising though is, even though there is a definite need for this, the biggest problem is convincing military commanders to release troops for long enough to learn it. Now, in the Australian Army, for example, it's very difficult now to have troops released because they are on operations, they have training, so they're doing field tactics, firearms training, those types of things. So, is he having the same problems in Latvia?
Yes, I know the story, yes, which we wrote in piemēram, militārs ir ļoti grūti atrast laiku, lai tik ilgi trenētos kaut kur, jo jābūt operācijās tam līdz, lai iegūt šo apmācību. Un te viņš šeit vajag tā pat problēma. Tas ir armijas
Tur nevajag. Bet
Te runāja pat problēma vedās, ka nepietiek laika, lai uztrenētu cilvēkus.
jā, bet tā kā, es speciāli aizgāju, pabeidzu Fizkultūras institūtu, lai saprastu daudz dziļāk tās lietas.
He went not he by himself went, he had a problem with this, the same issue. But he on his own went to finish institution and university in all these physical activities to go much deeper and understand all these things together, not only fighting arts.
Yeah.
Un kamēr parastas kustības jūs, kamēr viņš kļūst par jūsu iemaņām,
Then that's what you should understand when your simple moments start to become subconscious moments, something like that.
un pēc tam pa prasmēm,
And then you really as a knowledge and you can use it.
ir kaut kāds laiks, bija vajadzīgs, un tīri fizioloģiski ātrāk jūs muskuļu atmiņā jūs nevarat neko ierakstīt.
And anyway, you need some time, otherwise like you also said, because you never get these moments in your muscle memory.
Yeah, it's really difficult.
Un ja kāds sola un pastāsta, ka tu izdarīsi ātrāk pa 2 vai pat 3 mēnešiem, vai ne, tad viņu jādzen ratā. Tas ir vienkārši šarlatāns.
And if somebody told that you can make it, it's much faster. You can spit in the face, you know, because it's comic person. Nobody can teach because every muscle needs certain type of memory.
Yeah. Repetition is the mother of skill.
Tā ir, bet tas, ko Krievijā, kas man nācās, kad braukājām apgūt pašas šo cīņas mākslu, tad tur viņi bija praktizējuši tā, ka bija semināri, pat pa mēnešiem seminārs notikās.
In Russia, when he went to Russia, learned all these fighting arts. Seminaries was not a days, it sometimes was months. Only seminaries.
Un te, kad tu to mēnesi dzīvo visu laiku, tu visos pūliņos un tu dzīvo visā tādā sistēmā, ka tev ir kādi 4 treniņi katru dienu gandrīz.
So when you live all these months in one camp and you have a training about 4 times a day, all these breakfalls and everything about 4 times a day.
Un kad tu ar pūleni gultā un ar pūleni celiet no gultas.
So when these are all going to bed and when they wake up, these are all from the bed in the morning.
Tu to ieraksti, tev iekšā dziļi.
Then you put it in your head very deep.
Tad to izdarīt ātrāk.
Then you can make this art work for you a little bit faster.
Bet viss pārējais jānoliek malā.
But everything you should put others, you should put away.
Kādi vēl jautājumi? Bet tā patikās viņiem, ne?
I hope they really like it, enjoyed it.
I think you know, you can tell by the look on the face, you know, of everyone here.
There's no say-up, it's very serious.
You make people hungry for knowledge.
Cilvēki vajag izsaukt par šis vārds.
Jā, jo galvenais ir tas, lai pēc tam jūs, jo es īstenībā ļoti īsā laikā jums iedēju ļoti daudz informāciju.
Which is most important, in a very short time, I gave you lots of information.
Yeah.
Tas nav pats galvenais, ko izgājāt cauri visām tām lietām.
There's not exactly all main things you're going to get to decide what you should do.
Bet tie pamatprincipi ir katrā cīņā.
But, as you see, all the basic principles you have in every fighting art.
Yeah. It's the interpretation and the new way of looking at it with new eyes.
Jo šeit ir moments kāds, kad, piemēram, ķīniešiem viņiem viegli uztvert cīņu sev sajūtā. Eiropietim vai mums, viņiem ir grūtāk, viņiem ir labāk saprot savu tehnisko valodu.
So that's maybe difference with Chinese people. They use these techniques on learning through the feelings, whereas European background people maybe try to learn first techniques.
Yeah. It's a cultural thing.
Jo tas, ko kā tu uzsūc mācas pienu, to mēs nekad nevaram.
So that's how people work in something, how mothers know.
Yeah.
Every nation are different, and you can change that.